Did you? Okay. Here's our waterfall that we built. I'll go in and get you zoomed in up on it here. As you can see on the right side, we have a nice little, what do you say that is, 5-inch pipe? Approximately, yeah, whatever. 4-inch pipe, water coming through it. Very nice, see? And we put, stacked up a crap load of rocks, all kinds of mud. I dug out the bank over there. There's a couple of little leaks, but it's still pretty good.
Just a couple.
Come over here, a nice little waterfall. Want to put your boot in there? Yeah. Check that out. That's nice. See, we dug out the bank over there to get all of our mud and grass. Now, you can see the creek is very wide. It was not that wide. It was not that high up on the sides before. It was a lot shallower. We could actually walk down.
Before and after.
Yeah. Oh, shit. That's alright if I said that. That's alright.
Okay.
So, we'll zoom out here a little bit. Sorry, a little shaky. And as you can see, Tyler's standing beside there. Tyler is one of the people who helped us build it. Brad, another person who helped us. I also helped. And that is our beautiful dam. And Hastings Creek, largest river in the U.S. And also, here's a neat little thing. Somehow the rain must have washed this sucker out, made a nice little ravine. Goes all the way down in there. That's about 4 or 5 feet deep down there. Pretty crazy how nature does stuff like that. That's Tyler throwing rocks. And cut.